Kakuan mo ni Ma'am Hani.
Tagbaw na ka. Dili pa man.
Si ma'am, busy si ma'am. Si asawa ni ES.
Si Ma'am Hani.
Ano si Ma'am Hani? Suong yung po dire.
Isa ko mo doon kung
Kaway-kaway mo. Kaway-kaway mo.
Kuan magod, maikog ko. Bisan kailan ako ang asawa ni ES. Hi ma'am.
picture lang daw. Ma'am.
Atras lang mo, atras.
Atlas na, atlas. Ako san, dili ako chikahon.
Ma'am, pa-picture. Hi, Kitty. Dito lang ba? Dito lang.
Tapos yung mga bayan. Kasi mag-picture, okay naman si Ma'am. Picture lang dito.
Ayaw lang dumog.
Oo, pwede. Nice, nice. Sanga.
Bisaya ka ayaw. Ayaw na sa
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, salamat.
Hi, ma'am. Hello.
Nakamalagyan ng t-shirt ng bata.
Ayaw na ko ipatagalog sa Bisaya.
Gusto daw sila niyo mag-apit.
Ako for Alvin. Si Alvin for Alvin.
Sige, sige.
So,
Ipod mo ako itong kanina.
Tapi ako tipa, pila ako. Picture sa taon niyo.
Extend my gratitude to all the supporters everywhere in the world, every Filipino, everywhere in the world. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And, ayun, from my whole family and from thank you.
Dito daw sa sulod King. Pagpapabot sa kanya pagpamahaw, magkita.
Hi, Ma'am Kitty.
Hi, hello. Hi. Hi, what's your name?
Elijah.
Elijah. Nice to meet you, Elijah. I'm Ate Kitty. Nice to meet you. You give me a kiss? Thank you.
Nakulay mo pa?
You're very pretty.
Parang pila-pila lang. Pila sa mga siguro sa lang natin.
Pwede bang ano magpa-picture?
Mag-organize ta, mag-organize. Sige.
I'm Ate Kitty. How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Oh, my sister turned 6 today.
Oh, he was born on February 14, 15.
Paminaw ka na para organize. Kanang pwede ta magpa-picture ni ma'am niya. Magpila lang ta para di ta makagumon para way mahay no.
Nice idea.
Maglinya lang ka. Maglinya lang ka dito para di makagumon ba.
This is 5 or 6 times.
Okay, let's formalize.
Magpa-picture, mag-line-line lang para di makagumon.
pagayan tayo ay mga bugno.
Nakugos na sa baga. Gusto kita mo.
Thank you also. Thank you for this. Okay, I'll wear this. Can I? Is it okay if I remove this already so I can wear it?
Pasudlan na lang kami yan.
Thank you, Kim. Nice to meet you.
Padayon yun ta.
Padayon na ba? Anak, padayon na siguro.
From Belgium
Thank you, sir. It means a lot to my family and I. Thank you.
Sorry.
Kailan ako balik-balik?
Picture si Jessica Soho. Istorya sa kanya. Ikaw, Dave.
Ito mga tanong. Pare na yun. Ay, KB! Pwede picture ka.
Yes, I know how to make a back on your mama's birthday. That's fine. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Mga kapartner, magandang hapon po. So kausap natin ngayon si Ma'am Katie Duterte, ang bunsong anak po ng ating mahal na dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Ma'am, kumusta po ang pagbisita mo kay Tatay?
Okay naman. It's the same. He's still in good spirits. Of course, you know, he always portrays this macho persona. Ganun pa rin siya. And of course, I started with giving him a massage again. Because ever since I was a little girl, we would have massages together since I grew up sleeping beside him. So, ayun, I gave him a massage. We talked about the family, and I talked about Mira, our baby girl, because it's her birthday today. So, yes, ma'am. In a week. So yeah, he is happy to, and he asked if there are people still waiting here outside.
Pinatanong ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy kung kumusta si Tatay Digong at sabi ni Pastor kung pwede ka daw magbigay ng update para sa
So President Duterte is good. He is starting to eat the food that they are giving him there, and ayun, he is ganun pa rin yung macho persona niya, hindi nawawala yun. And he still makes jokes, he still he asks about the family, he asks about the supporters, and he asked if there are people here outside today, and I told him there are people waiting for you outside every single day. So not just here, but in our house in Davao, I told him of the situation that people were setting up tents, were watching over the house. So he is very happy and grateful to hear that. He told me to extend his gratitude to every single one of you, especially the ones here outside today. So,
Pwede ka mag-birthday, ma'am?
yes, dili ko mag-birthday. So
Thank you.
Happy
birthday.
When is your birthday?
my birthday is on the 10th, ma'am. So I am turning 21. Sabi ng
Napag-ingon si Pastor.
Yes.
Kumusta daw kayo si Pastor?
I'm doing great. I'm doing fine. Syempre, with the hectic schedule, there are some sleepless nights. But other than that, I'm fine. I was able to help organize my sister's birthday in Davao kahit through messaging people lang. So she's back there. She's happy. And I'm happy to know that she had an eventful birthday.
Naka-message, ma'am, sa KOGC, kay Pastor o sa mga supporters.
Yes, of course to Pastor Giboloy. Maraming salamat for always being here for us, and to his supporters, the KOJC Community Right. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Ano ko one question lang. Nakamoy na sana kung na ba siya kauban sa sulod o wala.
Wala siyang 24/7 assistance, but he does have people who help him with, for example, with the food inside.
No, aside sa mga assistant something, same niya dili. Wala siya kauban siya lang.
Wala. He is by himself.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dito bulad
Unfortunately, not ma'am. Not bulad, but he told me a while ago he was able to eat fried rice. Fried rice. So it's fine because he likes fried rice.
Nag-homeschool, online school ka karon Kate.
Yes.
Yeah, online sa
Ma'am, naay shout out.
Yes, sir. Sige, sa
mga
Walang
DD
problema.
supporters sa Madrid, sa Belgium, o sa UK karong unahon na tong UK, okay lang?
Okay, sige.
Ang UK mag-meeting di advance sila karon sa peace rally with PDP Laban.
UK, this is in UK.
Message na to sa sa mga peace rally sa UK. Ang sunod ang Belgium sa
Isa-isa ho nato.
Okay lang, isa-isa ho?
Yes, no
Dire
problem.
mo.
So the first one is for the
UK.
okay, no. Hi to the Filipino communities in the UK. I am Veronica Duterte, the daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to your unwavering support and solidarity that you have shown during this tough time. My family and I are very grateful for all of you, every single one of you. And I hope and I pray that we do not stop until he is home. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Belgium, ma'am.
Okay.
Kasi both street daw sila PDP laban.
Thank you, sir. Sige. Hi to the Filipino communities in Belgium. I am Veronica Duterte, daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. I would like to extend my gratitude to every single one of you for continuing the support for my father and for the whole family. Thank you from my family and I. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you, ma'am.
For Norway, please.
Yes, ma'am.
For Norway, please.
Okay, hi to the Filipino communities in Norway. I am Veronica Duterte, the daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to every single one of you who have been there since day one, throughout my father's political journey and until now. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you.
Pahabol, ma'am, ang Madrid, Spain o Barcelona.
Madrid. Kadaghan. Sige. So, isa-isa ho na to.
Supporters.
No
Spain na
problem.
lang, Spain.
Sige,
Madrid,
Spain.
Spain.
Okay.
O
So,
Barcelona.
Tinguban na lamang, Barcelona.
Okay, so to the Filipino communities in Madrid, Spain, Madrid and Barcelona, to the Filipino communities in Spain, I am Veronica Duterte, daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to every single one of you. And maraming salamat sa unwavering support niyo. Walang tigil na pagsuporta from day one until now. Thank you very much from my family and I.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Sige, ma'am. Layo na kami. Hi to the Filipino communities in New York. I am Veronica Duterte, daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to every single one of you who have shown unwavering support for my father and the whole family since day one until now. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you, Ma'am Kay. Thank you.
Denmark. Denmark and
Sa mga del norte.
sige, so, lahi na to. Sorry, are you Bisaya, ma'am?
Bisaya.
Okay, sige, lahiun na to, ma'am. Sige. So, we'll go for Denmark first. Okay. Hi to the Filipino communities in Denmark. I am Veronica Duterte, daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. And I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to every single one of you who's been there since day one. Thank you for the unwavering support and solidarity. We love you, my family and I. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sambuanga del Norte. Okay. Last na ma'am. Okay lang. Sige. Okay, so to the Filipinos there in Zamboanga del Norte, maraming salamat sa inyong mga kababayan. Salamat sa suporta at pagmahal niyo sa aking ama and sa pamilya namin. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, ma'am. Salamat, ma'am.
Ay, picture, ma'am?
Picture ako, malapit ka mo balik-balik.
Picture na lang.
Picture na.
Ma'am, picture ko mo.
Pagkaw na tao na sikitin ka ng tinubag.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, girl.
Picture, group picture, group picture. Group picture.
Picture mo na siya. Picture na last.
Grupo na lang, picturean tanan.
O sige. Sige, thank you, ma'am. Group mo na.
Picture ka ng group.
Niya na, may group picture na. Group picture na.
Yung iba, dito sa baba.
Pwede yung iba baba.
Ako makikita talaga ako.
Duterte.
Yung face na face natin. Ganon. Ayan, sumbag na. Dili, para mamahawa sila tanan. Again. Sumbago na po sila tanan. Hawa na.
1, 2, 3.
Bag sa bangag.
Yes.
Ito sa padulan na to. 1, 2, 3.
Imuha na ni Kusina dito.
My best.
O, grab na lang mo sa
Thank you.
May time.
Continue ang prayers natin.
Oh, naaras ako page.
Oh, kita na po kami. Kaya nakakita ani. Ready mo. May sumingit. Ang pinaka picture ito ba? Napit ito ba? Anak ka. Oh, sige, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Dili kinami, right?
Oh, nagulat. Bakit nagulat? Stay strong. Stay strong pa rin tayong lahat.
Okay, magandang hapon po mga kapartner. Nandito po ngayon si Ma'am Hanilet, kalalabas lang nila sa ICC Detention Center. So, in behalf kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, sa update lang tayo, no? Kung ano yung mga kaganapan sa kaniyang pagbisita sa loob po ng ICC Detention Center. Ma'am Hanilet.
Hi Pastor, mayong hapon diha sa kanimo, hapon diri karon. Okay ra man siya. Nakakuha na big cook para niya and he's very hopeful and he's reading the Bible that I bought for him. The green ang color ato. So he's in high spirits. So we just want you all guys to continue praying for him. Daghang salamat.
Ingat.
Nakli na.
Kami, Giselle, kami na
Hindi na daw niya kayo makontak sa messenger.
Hi sa mga kababayan ko sa Negros Oriental. Ako si Veronica Duterte, daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for every single one of you for showing unwavering support and solidarity since day one. Thank you from my family and I. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
May salamat sa suporta. Durag tayo lang kasi nakakaya.
Ingat po.
picture Kitty ba?
Siya pa na ito wala.
Bye! Bye-bye, kids!
Uy, asam to kung tubig na pangbubuot at tubig na bumoda.
Sana ako para sa kanya.
Ay, okay.